Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today, we'll discuss how to use group and sum in NetSuite Saved Searches. Powerful tools that help you analyze data, summarize results, and create report-style outputs directly within NetSuite. Let's first discuss what are group and sum in Saved Search. Group is used to consolidate rows by a specific field, example, customer, item, department, while sum is used to total numerical values for each group, example, quantity, amount, hours. As an example for this demo, I've pre-created an item saved search that includes various columns where we can apply the group and sum functions. As you can see, the name column has duplicate item lines. This is because each line represents the item's quantity at a specific inventory location. Similarly, the total value column shows the amount per location, which can be useful for location-level detail, but not ideal if you want a consolidated view of each item. This is where group and sum come in. By grouping the item name and summing the quantities and amounts, we can create a much cleaner, high-level summary of inventory across all locations. Let's apply those now. Let's first apply the group function to the name field and see how it changes the results. Now, instead of seeing multiple lines per item, you'll see one row per item name. If you click the item link in the grouped results, it will still display all the original details, just like when the items weren't grouped yet. Let's now sum up the location values. The search results will now show one row per item, grouped by name, with the summed values across all locations. This gives you a clean, summarized report that's perfect for inventory tracking or financial analysis without needing to export or manipulate the data in Excel. And that's how you use group and sum in a NetSuite saved search. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.